So guys, this is ACP Phillips and he is an ACP to emulate. You know, he has been honoring our nurses, especially it was Nurses Day, I think yesterday. And he stopped by to appreciate the nurses and of course to big up his favorite nurse, his wife. Oftentimes we highlight the bad things about our police officers. But may we focus on highlighting the good to know? Yeah man, what we see them are the good, we're going to highlight them and encourage them. Blessings.
Can you imagine I'm here on International Nurses Day and I stopped by Medical Service Branch to acknowledge all our nurses on their special day. You know, recognizing the hard work, the love, sacrifice, you know, that they have shown over the years. And I sent out a message earlier, even to the nurses within Area 3. You know, I recall our experience during COVID-19 and the partnership that we had with nurses right across Area 3, especially in Clarendon at the time though. You know, we forever remember their sacrifice, you know, and what they did for the country. So, but today, you know, the focus is on my special nurse. Yeah, my special nurse. I brought something for my special nurse.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
I appreciate it.
Ah.